My name is Hannah Paul, and I am responsible for the dummy technology at the testing center. The test is very special because we can see how we fulfill our approach of real-life safety regardless of size and gender. Dummies are a measuring device which are used to evaluate the safety of our cars. But this is up to 150 sensors which are inside those dummies. So the sensors measure different forces, different acceleration and compressions. And those measurements are directly linked to possibilities of injuries. In the 80s, there was only one dummy type available, a male frontal impact dummy. The dummy population has widened a lot in the last decades. So nowadays we have dummies representing women, men, and children, and we have dummies for different load cases, such as frontal impact, side impact, and rear impact.
I saw a lot of crashes, but this one is very special because new drivetrain with electric, both of them, a really big SUV against a small SUV. The secret is that the system are working together. The body in white, the belts, the airbags, and especially the team. Safety is always teamwork. The velocity of 56 kph is typical for accident in the field, and the highest standard we have in the automotive industry for crash tests. We don't make any difference. Every drivetrain is the same. The most important thing is to save people's life, to save the occupants in the car, and independent which drivetrain is in the car. If we look a few years ahead, it's a really purpose to work on this topic, save people's life. And our vision is Vision Zero in 2050. That means 0 fatal accidents with a car from Mercedes-Benz. There is no bigger purpose than saving people's life.